Hey everybody, welcome back. If you saw in my last video, I built a bed frame. I think it turned out pretty good, but now I would like to do some kind of finish on it. So I've decided, well, let me just show you. All right, y'all, so there's the headboard and the footboard, and these are the rails, and we're gonna use this bad boy here, and we're just gonna put a little slight color, a little slight burn on there, probably like a medium type burn. And then after that cools off, then we're gonna put 2 coats of polyurethane on there and get it all set up. So here we go. All right, guys, so as you saw, I got that kind of burned off a little bit. I think it looks really good, you know, kind of gives it definitely a rustic, you know, kind of old rustic look. So there's the rails down there. I like it. So the next step is getting a coat of polyurethane on here. So let's get started on that. All right, y'all, I don't know how much y'all got of that. The battery went dead on my phone. But anyway, got the first coat of polyurethane on there. So we're gonna let that dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll give it a quick sanding and we'll apply another coat. So let's see how it looks in the morning. So while we're waiting for that to dry, it's gonna take a couple hours. I'm gonna do some chores here around the house. You know, we burn a lot of our cardboard boxes just so they don't take up a lot of room in the trash, and it's one of the chores that I actually really enjoy doing. I don't know, maybe I enjoy it a little bit too much, setting stuff on fire. I don't know, maybe I might burn some more stuff today. We'll see. Well, went ahead and decided to burn wood scraps as well. You know, it's probably something I should do way more often than I do, but the stuff just kind of piles up and you can only use so much of it. But the problem is you go from one project to the next project to the next project, and you don't really take time to clean up. If I would take my own advice and kind of clean up after every project, it wouldn't be this bad. But anyway, still burning stuff. Alright guys, after getting a few things done, this finally dried, so got it set up. I think it turned out pretty good. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Got the bed done, super excited about that. Got it set up, it's ready to rock and roll when we're ready. Did put a new ignition in my mower, and I think it needs a new alternator too, so kind of working on that. The work never stops around here. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great week and or a great weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.